We present to you a set of equipment for transformer installation, maintenance and repairs. The UVM degassing unit is built to remove water, gas and particulate matter from transformer oil, heating and filling transformers with clean oil. The BV vacuum unit is designed to evacuate air from transformers. It can remove air, chemically non-aggressive gases, and vapors that accumulate in transformers during operation in transformer tanks. The Mojave Heat unit is designed to purge transformer tank with dry air. The purge protects transformer cores from atmospheric moisture during repairs. This lineup is a comprehensive solution to transformer oil degassing, transformer evacuation, filling transformers with oil, and protecting them from moisture in the air. The modular arrangement offers flexibility of use. There is no need to transport cumbersome machinery to operation site, if only one operation is required. Each unit is a standalone unit that addresses a specific issue, and this is a great advantage that helps save on expensive and bulky equipment. If you already own and operate one of these machines, you can add another unit at any time to enhance and improve your equipment fleet. With this lineup, you can solve any problem in transformer repairs and servicing. Let us know what you think in the comments. For more information, visit us at www.globcore.com.